Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join a club in Brawl Stars with code. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. To join a club in Brawl Stars using a code, follow these simple steps. Obtain the club code. Ask the club leader or a member for their unique club code. This is usually a short combination of letters and numbers found in the club's profile. Go to the Clubs tab. Open Brawl Stars and navigate to the Clubs tab on the main menu. Use the search function. In the search bar at the top of the club section, type the club code exactly as provided. Ensure there are no typos, as incorrect codes won't display the intended club. Check the club details. Once the club appears, review its trophy requirements, language, and activity level to ensure it's the right fit for you. Join the club. If the club is open, simply click Join to enter immediately. If it's invite only, click Request to join and wait for the club admins to approve your application. Be an active member. After joining, participate in club leagues, interact in chat, and contribute to the club's success to make the most of your membership. Using a club code is a direct way to join a specific club and ensures you're connecting with the right community. And that's it, you are done.